Waziri wa CS Julius Ogamba nigarure kurege ndigo cia sabarimo wanene gocha comment school fees chingaki echiga chukuru chegure hasitamo ya kabere asate rubuna habarachi kubwatiranirwa nigo barachi kwimukirirwe Getembe kerege kelichiko ukwana chingaki cyo waziri Ogamba nigarure kubulia gocha sabarimo kwene kibunango ikirani bare obukorero bwabo boikiranu.
The policy on increment on school fees and extra levies is not allowed, is outlawed by the ministry. We have issued guidelines, we've issued circulars on what the school fees is for senior school and boarding, and we have found, we have had reports from very many parents that some heads of institutions have increased these school fees without approval from the ministry as is required by the Basic Education Act, and some of them have been supported by their board of management. We have instructed all our field officers, our county and sub-county education officers, both from the ministry and from the TSC, to ensure that all the institutions are adhering to these circulars. Where they find that a head of institution or a principal is not adhering to the circulars, they have recommendations to make in accordance with the law, and thereafter the normal disciplinary processes under the law will follow. And so I'm just encouraging all the principals and heads of institutions to ensure that they adhere to these circulars.
With me here also is the pathway model, where we have showcased the learning process from conception all the way up to the world of work. And as you have learned, the PS and the CS as really advocating for replication of this model, and we believe now that we have come up with a mobile model, we can be able to take this empowerment to different counties, so that we can empower parents, we can empower teachers, our learners, and even the policymakers can understand that, appreciate that competence-based education is such a good curriculum and it is doable.